Lesson 3. Personalization of the Market Watch window. Every trader includes and tracks the investment product prices from this field. As we mentioned before, this field can be customized. Now here we will hide all the instruments and add only the ones that we want to follow. MetaTrader platform added some instruments here by default. Now first, let's hide those ones. If you want to hide an instrument, there must be nothing open related to that. What this means is that if there is a chart, open position, or pending order, then you will not be able to delete this instrument from this field. As an example, you can easily see that the EURUSD price chart is displayed by default by the platform. In this case, we will not be able to delete EURUSD pair from Market Watch. You can easily close up a chart from its own close button on the top left corner. By clicking this button, you can easily display the chart in full screen. If you click on that button again, the chart will go back to its original size. Now we will create an empty workspace by closing all the charts. If you want to delete an instrument from the Market Watch pane, please right-click when the cursor is just above on that instrument. When you choose Hide from the context menu, this instrument will be removed. You can easily remove any instrument you want from this list in this way. Hide All option will remove all the investment instrument from the list. Now to choose any instrument that we want to display in the Market Watch pane, please right-click on the pane and choose Symbols from the menu. You can find the whole instruments that you want to add into the Market Watch pane. You can easily add any instrument which are categorized according to their features. You can easily add an instrument by double-clicking on the symbol. To display it better, you can enlarge this symbol window by dragging it to the right side. Every trader can easily add the appropriate instrument from here in order. Now we know add the instruments that we want in order. You can create a list with the instruments that you want to add. Once you set up your instrument list, platform will continue to display this list in every program run. Please move to the next list.